Hello, I am Rebecca Webb, and I love the process of making a fully functioning website and the creativity and problem solving involved. I have owned pets all my life and would have loved to have had a website like this to use myself. Any lucky, responsible pet owner will eventually have an elderly pet in their care who needs taken care of. Even healthy pets can benefit from a way to track their weight or knowing what brand of food they eat when visiting the vet. PetPlanner is a website that can help you track both the medical history of your pets as well as upcoming events like vet visits or medication. As a key feature, it also lets you share this information with people you choose, allowing you to coordinate and not, say, double dose your pet by accident. This website has a fully functioning registration and login system that allows you to access the rest of the site. Once you log in, it takes you to the upcoming events page. These events are stored on a Postgres database, which uses a clever bit of SQLize to return events the user is allowed to access, as well as filters for only future events. Everything is connected to the pet table in the database, which uses a middle table to store permissions for each user. Only the creator of the pet will be able to edit these permissions, but can set other users' ability to either create events for themselves or to just be able to view these records. Events are called from the user ID, stored on the authentication token, through the permissions table, returning every event for each pet in chronological order. Events can be marked as complete or non-complete easily from the home page. New events can be added as well, with React Date Picker used to handle the dates of the event. Event creation is limited to pets that the user has editing access to, though anyone who can view an event can mark it complete. At the top of the page, a carousel can be expanded to see all pets available to the user. Events can be sorted by pet for easy viewing, or by every pet, as is the default. Users can also access the pets page from here in order to add new pets to their roster. On the pets page, the user can see all pets they have access to, with those owned directly by them returned first. Each pet can contain a variety of useful information, as well as containing displays for permissions, as well as a medical table and a weight history. Permissions can be added here, and the database will catch if you enter a user that doesn't exist, or if a particular user already has permissions for that pet. This is also where you define if a user has editing privileges or not. If you want to change these, you can simply delete the user from their current field and re-add them as you please. Every pet also has medical and weight records. Someone with editing permissions, and only someone with editing permissions, can add, edit, or delete these records. Submitting these records triggers the use event for getting the information from the backend, so that it will update when called. The weight is returned in chronological order for clean and easy tracking of your pet's health, and medication is sorted in alphabetical order to be easy to find. You can also edit the details about the pets themselves. The birthday and age fields are connected, automatically updating and disabling the age field when the birthday is submitted. The age variable is stored as a year, so that it will update as time passes and stay up to date. New pets can be added easily, with as much or as little filled out detail as desired. Even missing a profile picture will have a default image instead. Deleting a pet is also easy, and cascades all connected events and records on deletion. To prevent mistakes, the user is asked if they are sure before they proceed. In the future, I'd love to add more complex features, like making groups of events that would automatically add reoccurring scheduled events. I'd also love to add a way to see event history, preferably with a way to mark an event as important, whether to save it or not. I've learned a lot building this page, and will take that into my future projects. Thank you for your time.